Hi, it's me, Karen, the Journey Girl, coming to you today to tell you about my favorite small appliances. This thing here is an electric water kettle, or Wasserkocher. We first got one of these when we lived in Germany, and I just fell in love with it, and it sits on the kitchen counter right next to my coffee pot. I start with cold water, as much as or as little as you need, and you push the lever down here, turns it on, the pretty little blue light comes on, and it's getting ready to boil. It has you use so many different things: instant coffee, boil water to make soup, boil water to make tea. It takes anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes depending on how much water you use and the temperature of your water. We have well water here, and that well water comes into our house ice cold. So it's getting ready. As you can see, it's starting to boil. And when it comes to a rolling boil, you'll see what happens. You don't have to be standing around looking at the stove and turning it on and off and wondering if you turned it off. This thing is automatic. It comes on. You just push the lever, it comes on, and then it shuts itself off, and the pretty little blue light is gone. And I have a cup of tea. And then to fill it or empty it, you just push the lever on the top of the handle, and there you have it. So until next time, journey on.